name is Michael Ficara. I brought my wood car today. I put this together, maybe 3 years ago I finished it. It took me 3 years to do it. I started with a stack of lumber, cut it all up, put it together, steam bend it to get these kind of shapes. I have a Chevy drivetrain in there, so it's a very reliable car. It's very satisfying. It turned out quite nicely. I got my inspiration to do this watching fellows on YouTube building kayaks and canoes, and it seemed to me, oh, it looks so easy, I'll try that. I think I can build a car. Well, it wasn't as easy as I expected, but it went beautifully, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out.
You did a
A lot of fun. Oh, thank you.
Man,
Thank you.
Really unique.